let's talk about TCP three-way handshake. This is the connection establishment of TCP protocol, and TCP stands for Transmission Control Protocol. We have some control over the transmitting the data, and we need to establish the connection from the source to destination before sending any packets. So this is done in a three ways. I mean, one communication in a three-way handshake. So first, if the source wants to communicate with destination via TCP protocol, it sends the network packet with a SYN flag in it. So at the transport layer, these are generally data being sent is called packets, or from network layer and up to application layer, these are generally called packets, and in the data link layer it's called frames, and its physical layer is called bits. But in general we will call it as a packets because we just deal with the high level applications. So source will send a packet with synchronized flag on one. These flags contain some special purposes, and in which one of it is synchronized. If this bit is on, so we are sending the connection initiation with the packet with a SYN flag 1. SYN flag is set. So after on seeing this packet, destination understands that someone is going to or wanting to connect to me. So if the destination wants to accept this connection, it will send SYN plus ACK packet. SYN plus ACK flag. So SYN stands for synchronize and ACK stands for acknowledge. So this packet number will be some say 1000, and that synchronized bit is set also 1, and then along with synchronization the acknowledgement bit is also set 1, and that packet is sent from destination to source. So the source on seeing this SYN plus ACK, okay, the destination also wants to connect to me, so my connection is successful, and it will send an acknowledgement packet. So this third one is a acknowledgement, and the destination on seeing this acknowledgement packet understand itself that my SYN plus ACK packet has been reached to the source, and it has been seen by the source, and from then onwards I got the acknowledgement from the source. That means from after this part I can just send the data to and forth from the source. So okay, this is the TCP three-way handshake. Let me explain again. First, source wants to connect to the destination, that's why it sends a packet with SYN flag 1, SYN flag on, and then destination on seeing this SYN flag, if it's want to connect to the source, then it will send the SYN plus ACK flags on, and the source on seeing this SYN plus acknowledgement, it will understand that destination is also ready to accept the connection. That's why it will send the acknowledgement packet, and on seeing this destination, okay, source got my synchronized and acknowledgement packet. From here onwards we can transfer the data. So this is a three-way TCP three-way handshake, and this is used for communication establishment. Now let's talk about the connection termination. So up to now source and destination has transferred the data, and if source want to disconnect from the destination, source sends the packet with the FIN flag on. FIN stands for finish. So I want to finish the connection, and on seeing this destination, okay, it understands that source want to disconnect from me, so it will send the acknowledgement packet. So on seeing this acknowledgement packet, source waits for another packet with a finish flag. So destination also sends the finish flag to the source. So on seeing these two packets with acknowledgement and finish, okay, I also got your finish packet. Now let me send the acknowledgement packet, such that from here onwards we are no longer friends, and we no longer communicate each other. So this is the TCP connection termination. First, source will send the finish packet to the destination, because source wants to disconnect with the destination address, destination computer, and then on seeing this FIN packet, the acknowledgement packet is sent and also the fin packet is sent, because this acknowledgement is to like reply to this finish packet, and destination also wants to disconnect to with the source. That's why it also sends the finish packet, and destination receives the acknowledgement packet from the source saying that I got the finish packet from you. Okay, we no longer have the connection. So this is the TCP connection termination. I hope you have understood.